Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to see about what are the different types of operators we have in Python. So basically, in my course, I'm not going to cover all the list of operators we have because I strongly believe you learn a little and you evolve as you program, right? You don't need to learn and understand all the things you have in the language and then program. That you will forget, obviously, right? So I'm going to give little and little what are the things we have. As we evolve, you will see more number of features. Okay. So I'm going to just give about what is operators, what Python does about auto typing and all in this code. But before that, we talked about something like dynamic typing, right? Dynamically casting of Python. So it recognizes the data types automatically. So we will see that what it will do. So suppose I say a is equal to 10, you could see the problems. Not as a problem. You need to be very careful as a programmer when you do something, right? Because it's our responsibility in Python to deal with the data types, right? Because Python automatically recognizes the data types. Okay. Suppose I b a is equal to b, I say a is divided by 2. Okay, which is good. Print b. We know what this answer should look like. It's not a big deal, as you see. Which is 5.0. We would have expected 5, but it came out to be what? 5.0. The reason is the division it does is based upon floating point division. So as I say, the Python character sets are it's as a number or a floating point or a boolean or a string. So it falls under these four categories. As a primary data type construct. Okay. So what are the four primary category? So it falls under it's either a number or a decimal. So when you say number in other program, you can say it's like an integer also. Decimals is a floating point or boolean literal boolean, so which is nothing but it will treat as true or false like this, true or true and false, and a group of characters which we call as a string like this string or a single character. Both are almost treated as the same manner in Python. A character when it is make as a group of characters is a string, right? So only the four different varieties don't have any. There is no limitation for an integer also. It depends upon the memory limitation. Okay, so you don't need to worry about there is upper bound or nothing, no concept like that. Also in floating point precision also it grows. So Boolean true or false, you use that things in if condition. We will see those. I want to give some idea on these things, right? Now, that's why you see A divided by B to 5.0. So what if you want to get an integer division, like you want 5, you don't want to be as a floating point number here. So that we will see in terms of operators when we have, right, immediately now. But what I want to explain now is, since it's automatically typecasting, right? So I say hello and d is equal to c by 2. But this is complete funny, right? So print d. So it's c is equal to hello. I say d equal to c by 2. Correct. So when I run this program, interestingly, the editor will not tell me any wrong. That's what you mean by interpreter, right? So it runs line by line. So in other languages like C, C++, Java, you would have compiled the entire program. When you compile itself, it can tell you it's a compilation error. You cannot divide a string by 2. Correct. So, but here it doesn't tell you that because at runtime only it recognizes these data types. So you could say, see here, it's a type error, unsupported operand type. You're doing something with str and int, right? So Python creates its own data type internally. So that's what I want to show. So you need to be very cautious while we doing our typecast things. We need to be know while programming, right? Which is int, which is float and all. Okay. So you cannot divide a string by 2. That's meaningless. So that's what it is telling. Okay. Fine. So now coming back to our topic on what is operators. So what are the different type of operators we have? So I'm going to cover only arithmetic, logical, and what is that? Condition, arithmetic, relational, and logical. Rest of the things we will see later, right? So yeah. So first arithmetic, it's quite simple. Plus, minus, multiply, star, division is slash. And remember, the division will always give you a floating point division, like as we see in this example. So there is another thing is called this one. This is a integer division. Remember like this. So integer division. And you have modulo, which gives a reminder, modulo operator. So what are the things you have? Relational operator, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, right? Double equal to. This is compares the actual equals, because a single equal to is an assignment, right? So basically all these things. And logical operator, and or. In Python, it's plain English, and or not. So this is what you're going to give in Python. It's quite simple as that, right? So we're going to quickly see how these things are there now, right? Now, yeah, going back to this, I want to show the same program. So it's quite easy, plus, minus, star. So all these things are good, right? It's quite easy. So now if you want to get it not as 5.0, you want to get it as 5. So you do this. This is what integer division, right? It takes the floor, right? Floor means if any decimal value is also there, it only going to take floor. So you're going to get an error here because D is not there. We need to remove D, run again. So you'll see 5, it's not 5.0 anymore. So understand the reason, right? So because we do a by double slash 2. Double slash is integer division, correct? So suppose I say 13. So you will get still you will get 5. You won't get, still you will get 6. Right? You won't get 6.5, correct? So that is what integer division is all about. Okay. Next, we will, so that's all about like arithmetic operators. Relational operators, it's quite straightforward, right? So I give a is equal to b is equal to 20. So now I say print a greater than b. So what we will get as the answer here, when we run it, but it as false.